So you just received your new road bike. Let's build it step by step. Before starting, you'll need scissors or clippers. First, start off by removing the small parts bag. In it, you'll receive a t-shirt, a torque spec guide, remove all packaging from the bike that's been used for shipping. Next, let's install the seat post. Using the Di2 tool, plug the Di2 wires into the hole in the bottom of the seat post. Then slide the seat post down to your preferred height. To tighten, use the 4mm torque wrench bit to tighten the seat post binder bolt to 10 Nm. To install the front wheel, use the 6mm torque wrench bit and remove the front axle and plastic spacer. Then remove the orange brake caliper spacer. Grab the front wheel and line up the rotor with the brake caliper and install the front through axle. Then torque to 10 to 12 Nm. To charge your Shimano build, plug the charging battery into the port on the back of the rear derailleur. To charge your SRAM build, locate the batteries on the front and rear derailleur. Remove each by lifting up on the upper tab and sliding the battery out. Plug the battery into the charger. And before we get to riding, make sure to check all torque specs and tire pressure. And then you're ready to ride.